Hey guys, happy Friday, October the 11th. Hope everybody is doing well. I said, you know what, I'll turn the camera on and we're gonna just do a regular walk and talk video. So I'm just gonna bring y'all on nature and talk to y'all. So not much going on today. I'm probably gonna upload this video maybe today or tomorrow. I don't want it to be too long, but I hope everybody is well. So I just wanted to answer, I think a question or a couple of questions somebody had. I think, Mary, you asked about my daughter and her baby. This is her first child. That's my last daughter. That's my last child. My oldest son that you guys seen with the blue on, with the little boy, I think I put in the vlog. That's his son, which is my grandson. And then the second oldest with the two boys that y'all probably that y'all were seeing, Mark and Omari, those are his two children with his wife. And then my daughter is the last one. But my last son, he doesn't have any kids. He doesn't have any children. So the first one has just one. The second one has two. And then my daughter, this is her first one. And actually today, it's gonna be wash day for me. I got 2 bags of baby clothes to wash, and then I'll have 3 more. So that'll be part of this vlog. I have to get those clothes washed. So if you're wondering, this is outfit of the day. It is about, I got my Vans on too. It's about, I think they said it was gonna get up to 73 degrees today. Has not been that warm around these parts, y'all. It's been really cold at night, and I have not turned my heat on yet. I'm trying to not turn it on because that's just a extra added expense, but I'm going to show y'all some visuals, and we'll come back. All right, y'all. I'm going to walk along the water. I think I see a couple of people here. Let me see what they got going on, but I just wanted to bring y'all near the water. Now they say that in the center is like 10 feet. I can swim, but if I ever fall in there, I think I might be all right. But it's so pretty to walk along the water, y'all. Look at this. We're gonna go down here and we're gonna go see what they're doing. Y'all can't tell me that ain't beautiful. Walking on the boardwalk. This is beautiful. I was trying to see if I see any fish that I can show y'all, because there are fish in here. They put fish in here. I think the guy told me, oh, there's a bee. I think the guy told me they put fish in here like 2 months ago. So I know I seen some the other day that were like up here. Oh, there they go. Can y'all see them? Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I'll see them again. I just seen some. These are the plants for the water. Y'all see the fish? Look down there real good. You should be able to see them. All right, y'all, this is grand opening. Now, I actually can get on a life jacket and do it, but I can't do it. I need to get back to work in a little while, but I'm just showing y'all that it is groundbreaking day here. And then one of my friends are over there. She has on a life jacket. If you see her, she has on like purple. Yeah, so. Guys, oh my God. I am so excited because I can bring the boys here and we can do some canoeing. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you that, and I'll check back in with you a little later. Peace, y'all. Y'all, I made it to the truck. It done got warmer. Y'all, almost peed my pants. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, almost peed my pants. I'll show a picture of the bathroom. It's a really nice bathroom setting, and I was able to do my squats, but drinking that vinegar water and all that water, it will make you have to go bad. Oh my goodness, I barely made it, but I'm gonna get ready to get out of here. Hope I didn't get that on my teeth. But I'm about to get out of here, go back to work, and then I will catch y'all all when I get home. This is the, if you're wondering, this is the color that I'm wearing. It's like a pretty orangey color, like for fall, but it's like a gloss. It's really pretty. And it comes in this little thing here. I don't know if y'all can see the color, if you guys can see it. All right, but I'm about to get to work, and I will see you guys later. All right. We haven't been able to do this in a long time, y'all. As soon as I come outside, the noise. Let me fix that. Somebody dropped my my fake Stanley cup at work. Y'all see the top of it? It's cracked a little bit. I was so mad. She didn't mean to do that though, but I'm just outside, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see that beautiful sun? Can y'all see? I don't want to blind y'all, but yeah, we haven't been able to come out here in a long time, because I think I told y'all earlier, it has been cold, but the yard is done though, y'all. You see? Pretty. It's beautiful. I was just sitting out here getting some vitamin D, much needed. I got these glasses on. Yeah, but somebody's doing something. Oh, they're trimming trees or something around the corner, so that's the noise. But it's so beautiful, y'all. It's so peaceful. Y'all know this my niche, right? Y'all know. Y'all should know me by now. This is my thing. Listen to the crickets. Y'all are not gonna believe this. The back way to the back, I seen something black, like sitting in the back. And I was like, what is that? Because we ain't got no roads. Like, what's this black thing? Guys, I went ready to go try to see what it is. It was a freaking cricket. Let me just show y'all how big. See that? This real time. The cricket was about that big. Big and black. And y'all already know. I scooped them on up. Took them by the fence back there. And was like, no ma'am, you can't stay in here. I took him all the way to the back fence. Not gonna be having no crickets up in here. But it's so beautiful out here. Had a really good day today. Let's go get these clothes though before I forget, y'all. Let's go get the clothes. Take a walk with me. So beautiful. So beautiful. Y'all, it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Oh my God. I wouldn't have it no other way. Beauty. Oh. Remember those extra boards that were back with these extra things right here? Those got taken up. That's what we looking like now. And y'all remember the Dusty Millers? Look how much more I got. Cause like I mentioned, it's been warm. It's been warm. Uh-oh, I cannot get that in the video. Hold on, y'all. I have to open my trunk so I can get these bags. Look at these bags of clothes, y'all. Oh my God. Look, I got this big one, this one. But we are about to go wash these clothes, y'all. Yeah. We'll chit-chat a little bit more. Let's get these clothes washed. Oh my God, y'all, these bags are freaking heavy. Freaking heavy. Oh my gosh. I got them in, but Hey, I'm strong. I'm strong. But I ain't that strong. Oh, gosh. All right, y'all gonna just spend some time with me in the laundry area. I know somebody had, I think it was Jay Johnson, or somebody was saying, do I wanna like block off this area? No, I'm not gonna do that. I would never. I'm not gonna say never, because you should never say never, but right now I'm not blocking nothing off. I like it. I like the aesthetic. That's why I did all this, so it can go. The flow can go. But anyway, y'all, it is time. Time is winding down, right? So it's like, let me bring y'all over here. It's like, I'm getting nervous because when I had my oldest son, I remember my mom did not go in the area with me because she was really, really nervous. Like, she was so scared. And hold on, wait one second. The phone cut off on me. But anyway, my mom did not go in the delivery room with me, okay? Because I was so in pain and she didn't want to see me like that. But my sister did go with me. So long story short, now my children who have kids, it's different because they're boys, right? So out of 3 of my sons, only 2 have kids. And you know, their mother, which will be my daughter-in-law, and the other one, he's not married. So basically, I was there when they delivered their babies, like at the place, at the hospital, but I wasn't in there. Like, their mother was in there. So now my daughter is giving birth. It's like, I'm real nervous. Like, I need my mom. I need my mom. Let me know in the comments, are you guys that way, or was you like that? Because I don't know. And then too, I'm so glad, y'all, I gave birth to all 4 of my kids. I had natural childbirth. I didn't do no, what you call them things? I don't even know, because what is it called? When they give you the shot in your back, I didn't get none. I didn't get that. I didn't get no injections. I gave birth naturally to all 4 of my kids, and the doctors were like, what? They couldn't believe it. And I was like, no. Now, that was young. I was younger, and I just knew better not to get that. Nobody's getting that. And thank God my daughter don't want that. She don't want no shots. Oh, the epidural. She don't want no shots or anything. She's breastfeeding, and she's going to keep her placenta. I wish I would have known that. You can freeze your placenta. You can make droplets out of it. It's good for you and all that great stuff. Yeah, guys, look at these little clothes. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. So all this stuff is new, and she wanted it washed. So I understand, because I think when you buy your clothes, you're supposed to wash. Look at the colors, y'all. I love the color, the aesthetics. My grandson he gonna be a naturalist. Like his nana. He gonna be a naturalist like his nana. So I'm gonna get these clothes washed, y'all. I just wanted to chat with y'all about this, and let's get this load washed and we'll come back. Yeah, I'm getting ready to eat. I'm gonna share with y'all what I'm about to eat. I'm about to have this creamy I got this from Trader Joe's. It was 2 for $4.49, so I'm gonna eat this. It is so good. I mean, you gotta add some extra dressing, and then I got arugula, spinach, the good goddess dressing from Trader Joe's. I got some real deal. Y'all see that deal on there? Fresh deal. Look at that. So amazing. So let me show y'all. Yeah, I showed y'all my outfit of the day. I'm so nostalgic. I got my own style, y'all. I really do. Let me know in the comments, do y'all think, I think they call it nostalgic, but I got this load to go, and we are working on, y'all can see the sun is going down. We got 65 minutes to go on the machine, and I'll put the other load in, then I'm gonna wait, and then I'm gonna dry them. So yeah, y'all. Yeah, I almost forgot what I was about to say, but she left tags on the clothes. But anyway, don't y'all come for me. I know I mentioned, like, I didn't get an epidural and stuff like that. I already know how YouTube is, and people in the comments. So if you did get that, that has nothing to do with you. I was only speaking about me. It's so sad I gotta say this, but yeah. And also, what I was gonna say? Oh, y'all know what? I forgot what I left out. The lady who I was gonna gift those pots at, y'all. the Most High works in miraculous ways. I was supposed to give that pot set to, I was supposed to give it to the church. Do y'all know I watched her video and she finally reached back out to me, guys? She subscribed to my channel. So if you're watching, Kia, hey Kia. So she got the same sort of kind of like set that I did. Hers got like the silver around the rim instead of like the beige silicone. But somebody gifted her a set of the Karoti. I was like, you got to be kidding me. But God bless the person who gave her that. Thank you so much. Like, wow. Oh my goodness gracious. Ooh. It smells so good. Guys, you are not going to believe it. I had to work. I didn't have to work a whole 8-hour shift, but I did have to work a few hours. And I'm just getting home and got my stuff on and trying to get these clothes done. I'm extremely tired. And you are going to see, probably in the thumbnail, I folded all those clothes.